Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In the vast digital landscape, countless opportunities await, all achievable with the right guidance. It's simpler than you think, and we're here to guide you through it. Stay tuned as we break down the process of.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. TechMate23. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can make a video without writing a long script. Yes, that's right. Consider a thing in which you do not have to spend hours composing scripts for your videos. Yes, we're entering the field of AI video generator tools. Let me clarify the AI tool we're discussing. It's called invid.ai. The link will be provided in the description. To use it, simply sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll be asked a few questions such as how you found out. Tool. You can answer that you discovered it through YouTube or any other relevant source. You will give all the answers according to your information. Then we will give our name. This name can be used as a watermark in your video. We are making free videos, so no need to purchase anything. Once you give your name, a page like this will come up. It will ask you what kind of video you want to make. We make long videos, so we select accordingly. We will select an explainer video. In this box, you will write down the topic of our video. After that, you will select a timing and how long video you want to make. Our topic is how to make money online. You just write the topic. This site will do by itself. We just monitor it and you can give what voice you want, male or female, and what language you want, etc. After hitting the continue button, you just wait and see. All the other work this site will do. No need to say ChatGPT to create a script, and you do not need to spend time writing down the long script. In free version, you can make 4 videos. During the making process, it will ask you some more questions. You can answer like this. They will ask you about the audience, or if you're making a professional video or inspirational video. You can select an inspirational video. Here we go. Our video is ready.
Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In the vast digital landscape, countless opportunities await, all achievable with the right guidance. It's simpler than you think, and we're here to guide you through it. Stay tuned as we break down the process of making money online. Firstly, deciding where you want to earn money online is crucial. Your platform, be it a blog, YouTube channel, online store, or
Well, if you want to change the script, you can. If you want to replace any scene, you can just write in this box which kind of scene you want, and the options will come. You can select according to your desire. If you want to change the voice from male to female, you just write it down here. This tool will do everything by itself. This video shows the watermark cause we're using the free version, but it doesn't matter to your monetization process. This watermark just promotes their website. Then we hit the export button, and the video starts exporting. When the export finishes, you will download the video and it will save on your computer or laptop. You can see in the free version that you can make 4 videos. You will get 10 GB. It also includes all footage and video scripts. What else do you want? The only problem is the watermark, so no issue. It makes no difference to your video, and there will be no danger of copyright on your YouTube videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the like button. And here is the video we just made. Enjoy!
Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In the vast digital landscape, countless opportunities await, all achievable with the right guidance. It's simpler than you think, and we're here to guide you through it. Stay tuned as we break down the process of making money online. Firstly, deciding where you want to earn money online is crucial. Your platform, be it a blog, YouTube channel, online store, or freelancing sites, is your launchpad. It's where your audience meets your value. Choosing the right platform can set the foundation for your online money-making journey. Once you've chosen your platform, it's time to create valuable content. Crafting content that's unique, engaging, and valuable can draw in an audience like bees to honey. This is your golden key to making money online. Remember, content is king in the digital world. With your content ready to go, it's time to monetize. Think of your platform as a marketplace where you can engage in multiple revenue streams. You can incorporate advertisements into your content or take part in affiliate marketing, where you promote others' products for a commission. Selling your own products or services is another viable option. If you're an expert in a field, consider creating and offering online courses. Monetizing your content opens up a stream of income from your online platform. Now that you've monetized your content, it's time to market it. You see, creating and monetizing your content is only half the battle. The other half? Getting it in front of the right people. Implement strategies like search engine optimization to help your content rank higher in search results. Harness the power of social media